Hey, it's Kaverina. Just wanted to pop in and show you guys how to make the new printable cupcake toppers that I have now in the store. That second page there was the instructions that are going to come with each printable. So right now I'm just using a pair of scissors to cut out each 2-inch circle. You can also use a 2-inch circle hole punch. Mine isn't that sharp right now, so I just had to use the scissors for mine. But anyway, so just cutting these out, and this video is sped up just a little bit because I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch me just cut out circles. So anyway, just cutting them out. Each one comes with 12 toppers, so you can use those as just the fronts, or you can print out a second page and use them as front and backs. Right here I'm cutting out 2 of those Juneteenth flags because I'm going to use it, that topper is going to be two-sided with the same thing on both sides. I also just cut out some white circles to put on the second side, or you don't have to put anything on the other side, and they look just as nice. But if someone's going to see both sides of your cupcake, you are going to want it to be two sides. And so while I'm just cutting these out here, just want you guys to know that there will be more designs that are going to come into the store. This is just the starting point for these. There's also a pride set in there right now. And then I think I show the white circles right here that I just did out, and they're just the same size. So yeah, so to put it together, just use some tape. You can also use glue. Tape is the quickest, but the glue is actually going to, when you're doing two sides, it's going to be better because then it doesn't leave a gap, and you'll see here once I start putting it together. You also use a lollipop stick. Excuse me, I only had, I think these are cookie pop sticks. So these are 6 inches instead of the 4 inches like it says in the instructions, but you can use what you have on hand, like I did, but you're going to prefer the 4-inch ones rather than the 6-inch ones that I use, and you'll see why, because they're going to be a little taller excuse me, than you want them to be. But if you do like them tall, that does leave room. Say for instance you want to tie a ribbon or something under each of the toppers, the paper toppers, you can do that as well. It leaves you some room to do that. So, and here I am taping on the printed side, and then we'll put that on the stick like that, and then gonna tape the white side to the back of it. And as you can see, like if you look at the one that's laying down, the flag one there, it leaves the gaps in the side, so you'd have to, you know, the tape is good if you want to do it quick, but you can use the glue. The glue is going to close those up much better and make up for a cleaner topper. So we'll just finish those out. And yeah, I printed this onto just some, well, I cut these out of just some scrap paper there, so I just wanted to hide that print on the back there, and it's going to go on the inside so nobody's going to know. So didn't want to waste any paper there. And yes, they are printed on cardstock, so because it allows them to be stiffer. You can also get them printed at, say, Kinko's or Walmart, anyone that'll print out your prints, and then have them printed on photo paper as well. So here's the last one. There we go. Okay, and now we'll put them into the cupcake. So just right in the middle, and press it down, lay it flat, press it down in, and as you can see though, it leaves a bit of a gap. And reminder, these are the 6-inch sticks and not the 4-inch ones that I say. So you'd be missing all that extra stick in the middle if you use the 4-inch, which is better. And the last one. And there you go. And that's it. Cupcake toppers.